Canva users, a lot of exciting new features are coming your way. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite new features. This feature allows for users to take a video that's 1.5 minutes in length and remove the background with just one click. Let's take a look. This is simple to do. The first thing you need to do is select the video. Next, select Edit Video. And after, select Background Remover and wait. Now, let's take a look at some examples. The background remover works well. I have a busy background behind me, and for the most part, a majority of my background was removed with just one click. This can be a time saver for those people who are creating bite-sized digital content. You no longer need to have a green screen studio set up in order to remove the backgrounds from your videos. So, what are your thoughts on the background remover? Have you given it a shot? If not, go ahead and try it out. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.